Good day, everyone! Are you ready to learn? That's great! Let's go!
At the end of this video, you will be able to first, differentiate language used in academic text from various disciplines. Second, determine the structure of the specific academic text. And third, explain the specific ideas contained in various academic texts. Nature and characteristics of an academic text.
An academic text is a written language that provides information which contains ideas and concepts that are related to the particular discipline. Essay, research paper, report, project, article, thesis, and dissertation are considered as an academic text.
Characteristics of an academic text.
Structure. The basic structure that is used by an academic text consists of three parts: introduction, body, conclusion, which is formal and logical. This kind of structure enables the reader to follow the arguments and navigate the text. In academic writing, a clear structure and a logical flow are imperative to a cohesive text. Tone. This refers to the attitude conveyed in the piece of writing. The arguments of others are fairly presented with an appropriate narrative tone. When presenting a position or argument that disagrees with one's perspective, describe the argument accurately without loaded or biased language. Language. It is important to use unambiguous language. Clear topic sentence enable a reader to follow your lines of thinking without difficulty. Formal language and the third-person point of view should be used. Technical language appropriate to area of study may also be used. However, it does not mean using big words just for the sake of doing so. Citation. Citing resources in the body of a paper and providing a list of references as either footnotes or endnotes is a very important aspect of an academic text. It is essential to always acknowledge the source of any ideas, research findings, data, or quoted text that have been used in a paper as a defense against allegation of plagiarism.
Complexity.
An academic text addresses complex issues that require higher order thinking skills to comprehend. Evidence-based arguments. What is valued in an academic text is that opinions are based on a sound understanding of the pertinent body of knowledge, and academic debates that exist within and often external to a specific discipline.
Features of an academic text. We have 10 features of academic text: complex, formal, precise, objective, explicit, accurate, hedging, responsible, organized, and planned. Purposes in reading an academic text. First, to locate a main idea. Second, to scan for information. Third, to identify gaps in existing studies. Fourth, to connect new ideas to existing ones. Fifth, to gain more pieces of information. Sixth, to support a particular writing assignment, and seventh, to deeply understand an existing idea. So that's all for today. I hope you will learn a lot.